How to get Photoshop for free. First, open any of your internet browser and search for Photopea in the Google search bar. Now open the first website, photopea.com. Now if I click on File in the top left corner and then click on Open and open an image into the photopea.com. As you can see, the interface of this tool is very similar to Adobe Photoshop. Let's try to do something with it. So I am going to remove this man from this beautiful scene. For this, right-click on this icon and then select Spot Healing Brush Tool. Now hold the left mouse click and select the man. Once selected, release your mouse click. And as you can see, the photo of man is now removed from the scene. Once you are done with your work, you can click on File in the top left corner and you can save this project as a Photoshop project, or you can export this image into any of these formats. That's how you can use Photoshop completely for free. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.